Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kayla Monet. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, thank you so much for clicking back on my new video today. So today I'm going to be filming a 3-in-1 get ready with me. Do y'all know what that means? That means hair, makeup, outfit, the whole shebang. You're gonna see how I got this look, all of it today. So if you're definitely interested, keep on watching. But wait, there's more. If you want to be updated with all my new videos and content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see my pretty little face when all my new content drops. Now we can get started. So I'll be using the e.l.f. face oil and e.l.f. primer to prime my face today. And I also did my eyebrows off screen today, so definitely like this video if you want me to film a tutorial. But yeah, I'm just going for like a pinkish eyeshadow summer look today, so that's what you'll see me doing. These lashes that I'm using are from this brand called Pettylashhh. It is bomb. It is black owned and it's affordable. So if you're looking for some bomb lashes, the link will be in my description below to get you these lashes. Right here, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Infallible foundation, and I'm stippling it in with the brush and blending it all the way down to my neck. Now I'm going in with Fenty matchsticks in the color Cocoa, and applying that under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and anywhere else that I want to be concealed and highlighted on my face. So I'm letting my concealer sit on my face to give it a super highlighting effect. Now I'm going in with the Fenty cream bronzer in the color Toffee Tease and bronzing and contouring my face and also my nose. I'm going in with a damp beauty blender all over my face to blend out my concealer and to just make sure everything looks nice and uniform on my face. I'm using the Mercier setting powder in the color Medium Deep to set my concealer and set my face. Now I'm using Wet n Wild's Natural Finish Setting Spray. And then a tip I learned from Jackie Ayana is using your beauty blender to tap it in to make it stay longer. This is my favorite part. Now I'm going in with the Milani Baked Blush. And yeah, I love applying blush everywhere to just warm up my face. Now I'm using Fenty matchsticks in the color Champagne Heist to highlight my face and the bridge of my nose and also my Cupid bow. Now I'm just using a regular old brown beauty liner lip liner from the Beauty Supply and Fenty lip gloss in Sweet Mouth. This has been my favorite lip combo recently and I love it. This unit I'm wearing is from Beautyforeverhair. It honestly took a lot of work to get the lace to match my skin tone, but if you guys would like to see a video of how I install this unit, definitely like this video and leave a comment down below. Okay, so for this look, we're just going for simple body wave curls volume. So I'll just be taking medium sections and just wanding it for about 10 seconds. In total, it took me about 6 minutes to do this hairstyle. Okay, y'all, so this entire outfit is in Boohoo. It was also featured in my Boohoo try-on haul. But yeah, this is a perfect outfit for brunch or just going out with the girls in summertime, so I love it. Alright, y'all, we are all done. Comment down below what you think of the end result. Also, don't forget to leave any questions you have about the products I use or anything like that down below. I will definitely respond. And yeah, that's all I have to say. Thank you guys so much for watching this video today and taking the time out of your day. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I have lots of fun content planned for y'all. You guys do not want to miss it, period, okay? Period. Because you be missing out on a lot. All right, y'all, thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.